Hey, what's up, Lloyd? This is Devin Norton from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for talking to me earlier, and thank you for watching this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways to improve your online presence and bring in more customers. If you're asking why I'm making these videos, there's a lot of business owners out there that don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that when I make these attack plans and give them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back and just ask me to do this stuff for them. So by the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and I can really do you some good. Give me a call and we can chat. But if you want to take this information and do it yourself, that's okay too. Really briefly, I'm going to show you how to make your website more of an authority, how to make your website more trustworthy, and then how to get yourself ranked in the local map hack rankings. So I know you don't have a website right now, which is why I brought up your Angels List profile right here. I will say though, you do have a lot of photos, which is really great, and it's good that you have an online presence. That's the best way to bring in some type of business, is people are always looking online for stuff right now. If you do want to rank in Plano though, I'm going to compare you to one of your main competitors. When you do get your website up, you're going to want to beat Total Air when it comes to content, because Google, their whole goal is to put consumers in front of the best article that's going to answer all their questions. And the article that's going to answer all their questions has the most content, which is just words that you can read. So they're going to want to look for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your page. These guys look like they have about 800 on theirs, so 1,500 to 2,000 is going to blow them out of the water. Plus, whatever your images are saved as does count. So if you see their image, it's saved as logo. Save your logo as things such as like, I don't know, like HVAC Plano or AC Repair Plano. So that's my first tip. My next tip is if you want to make your website more trustworthy, you need to have more websites linking to you, because Google views that as another website vouching for you, but they want to see relevant websites linking to you, like other plumbing and HVAC companies linking to you, not like Pizza Hut linking to you, because you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. Now I know you, again, you don't have a website up, but just to show you what you're gonna have to be with Total Air. These guys have 111 websites linking to them. That's super easy to beat. You can do that within a couple weeks, really easily. But here's the thing: once you beat these guys and you get more websites linking to you, you have 1,500 people looking at your website a month, because you've taken their spot where they're sitting in the search engine area. And so if you go and see what websites they have 111. Just go get these websites for yourself. You just go visit Glen Air Company, Plano AC, Air Rep. These are the best ones for you. What else? AC Repair, Boiler Repair is probably good. Just those ones that have to do with what you're offering. Those are gonna be remodel. That'll probably be a good one for you. And you can take that traffic for yourself. And the last thing is, if you are gonna be like, if someone types in AC Repair Plano and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first HVAC tech that shows up that seems trustworthy, and you want to be that HVAC tech because those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time. It could be from ad blockers or just having bad experiences in the past. And so where you want to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angels List, Home Advisor. These are really common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in. Go list yourself in those exact same ones, but then add a bunch more on top. So like if SHR is on 150 directories, go put yourself in like 250 or even 300. So those are my tips for you. As a quick recap, Brandon, Lloyd. As a quick recap, Lloyd, you're gonna want to make sure you have more than you're gonna want to make sure you have more content on your front page when you build it than these guys. These guys only have about 800. You're gonna want to have about 1,500, 2,000. Then you're gonna want to make sure you have more backlinks than your competitors. These guys have 111. You're gonna want to have about 150, and then you're gonna want to make sure you have more your name, address, and phone number in more directories. Just make sure they're all spelled the exact same way on every single directory. Lloyd, if you want to take this information and apply it yourself, that's okay. This is free education. There's no strings attached. Just please send me back some feedback to this video and let me know what you thought about it. If you thought this was valuable information. If you want me to help you, give me a call or shoot us an email back. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.